puppy. Hi. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Hi there. Do you think you can do this?
Well, it's pretty tall. I mean, it's about, gosh, that's some of that stuff's like 10 foot tall.
It's taller than I am.
This is invasive. This is not from here. This is from another country.
Isn't that that kind of tree we had in the old house in Smyrna when I thought it was like a palm
I forget
tree?
what it is, but there was some of that in the Land Between the Lakes when we went by. This is invasive, and they say it come from another country. It's really fast growing. So there's supposedly a trail here.
Yeah, we'll find it when we get rid of this. Did you know this white flowers is a herb?
No.
Did you know this yellow flower is used for allergies?
They tend to give me problems. All right, let's go to work. Put it back in low range. I actually didn't even phase it. Got a few trees down. I think it's a little hickory. Maybe a little much, but most more. Made my slip clutch slip. So we went and got the little chainsaw and just kind of chopped this up. Trying to keep this pretty natural, so I'm not going to like get rid of this. I'm going to put it over to the side so that animals can have a place to hide. This is kind of going to be our little national park. Tonlandia. So this is the new Tonlandia. This is going to be our little national park.
No, it's going to be
Woodlandia? So we got Tonlandia. Where's Tonylandia at? I get a sawmill, that's it. Be nice. We're stewards in our forest, and being environmentally friendly to our woods is very important to us. You'll start feeling the product, start feeling the Fast 2K bag warm up just a little bit. You know that means the 2 parts are activating. I pull the product down, and then I just take and tear it. Be careful not to get this on you. It is sticky. So we're going to go ahead and pour it in. You have, the post is pretty much almost level. Now I'm trying to pour this around the post a little bit so that it'll rise up and touch the outer edge. And what that does, it'll seal the post, encapsulating it from water.
You gonna get up, Gizmo? Come on. You're gonna have to get up. Come on, Daddy, gotta go work. Come on, get up. Come here. This piece of property was finally available from our neighbor, and she sold it to us. So we were really happy and so blessed in so many ways. I can't even explain to you how blessed we feel to have this piece of property. It's been pretty dusty. Tony was, you know, going through the woods and clearing path and everything, and the new trails for our property here. And it was so dusty, and I was right there in the middle of the woods. So I'm just like really, y'all, if you're from Germany or Europe area, you know that the woods are just a very pleasant place to be, to go for walks in, you know, just trails, just many trails. And this is something what we wanted to recreate over here, a German Wald. And this has been very dear to my heart because I love being in the woods. I love being surrounded by the trees and nature. So this has just been such a blessing in so many ways. It's really hard to explain, but we did finish the bench right behind me. So, and I decorated it with certain items, and I'll show y'all sometime the things that I do to you know, to stage and what I go through to get the right stuff to stage it. So I just think it turned out super cute, and I got different kinds of pumpkins this year. I never have bought them green and pinkish, whatever color they are, before. So I'm very tickled about that. And I have some other ones I'm going to be keeping at the house. But my goal is also to take some of those seeds out of those pumpkins that I purchased. And I'm going to be saving some, and I'm going to be growing some next year. So this turned out really great. And look at this sign. I just love the sign. I saw this and I said, this is perfect. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's just been very humbling, and I'm so grateful that God gives us this opportunity to do this, and just to be able to enjoy, you know, not just for us, but also we're gonna, friends and family is gonna be enjoying this too. So we are very humbled for this opportunity, and God is great in so many ways. And just be still and know that I'm God, and just look around and just like, wow, you know, it's just awesome. I hope y'all see y'all next video. God bless y'all. Bye.
Yeah, this is, you just don't get no better than this, guys. We've worked our whole life, started out with nothing, and we're proud landowners of new land, but we're broke. After buying this, we're broke. So anyway.